Miss McKinney,
Yes, Your Honor.
we're back.
Yes.
I hope we are in better spirits.
I am.
Okay, good. And we're not going to allow each other to press each other's buttons, right?
Correct.
We'll
Okay,
see what she
ready.
does.
Okay. So we took the DNA testing, had all that done. Did you all have any problems with that?
No, none at all.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Have the two of you had an opportunity to speak at all?
We've
No
spoken.
way. No.
Lies.
Okay. We spoke for 30 seconds. That doesn't count. I didn't want to talk to you. You came up to me. I tried to end the conversation as quick as possible.
Number 1. Tension rises as Miss McKee returns and a 30-second exchange erupts into hostility. With DNA results pending, neither side is backing down. Things are about to takes the stand and claims he begged for one last night to make peace, shocking everyone. He denies it.
Your Honor, permission to speak?
Yes, ma'am.
That is not true. He called me and he asked me, he said, look, I don't know which way this paternity test is going to go, but if you'll just let me put it on you one more time, we can smooth all of this out, blah, 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 all of that crap.
Oh, so that's a lot in 30 seconds.
Really?
No, it's not what I said, but
When he lies, he puts his hand up like that on his cheek.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's a lie pose.
And you found all that out in 72 hours?
I did.
Interesting. Okay. So
you see how aggressive she is about this? This
I'm
is
just excited.
she doesn't need help for her daughter. This
Come
is
on
about
with the
revenge.
results,
This
please.
is clearly about getting back at me and punishing me, not
After 9 years of silence, she files the case right. As he gets engaged and has a baby, he questions the timing. She says it's about their daughter, but then a check appears in court. Cashier's check to pay, but the judge halts everything. No child support without.
Got personal.
but it's been 9 years.
I know it's been, it's odd timing, isn't it? Right when I have a fiance and have a son, that's when she chooses to do this. Isn't that kind of odd timing here, Your Honor?
I mean, the timing does seem a little interesting.
I just came to the realization that, hey, I can do it alone, but I don't have to do it alone. If he's taking care of his other son and his fiance, that's fine. I don't need him to take care of me or my daughter, but it would be the right thing to do. And that's what he's going to do.
And
If he's the father.
He's the father.
Okay. And you're sure of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. All right. Well, I mean, bailiff, we have those results.
He proposes a restraining order to avoid child support, leaving the judge stunned. Then the DNA results drop. He's not the father. But what she does next shocks everyone. Number DNA results, claiming his attorney uncle may have tampered with him.
Shows up in court.
Got your cashier's check? Because I don't want a
That's
personal
not
check.
nice.
Well, I'm just saying.
You can't say that to him yet, though.
Okay.
We don't know if he's even going to be the father to pay child support.
I know.
But if you are indeed the father, I wouldn't recommend you make a payment today because the order would just be being signed today.
Is there an appeal process even if I am the father?
What would you be appealing exactly?
I don't think that based on the way she's been treating me and based on her selective choice of when to bring this issue up in order to, harm my relationship with
Done professionally, and both sides agreed, but she refuses to accept the results. Emotions flare as she insists he's the father, and soon she's shouting over the DNA results and keeps shouting he's the father. As the courtroom descends into chaos,
I feel like I should be able to file maybe a restraining order, and that would prevent me from, if I had a restraining order against her, that would prevent me obviously from having to pay for her child support, wouldn't it?
What is that, a restraint?
No, that's not how any of that works. That was really creative, though, but that's not how any of that works. So let me go ahead and tell you what the results say.
All right.
Get it over with.
All
Drum roll.
right. All right. It looks like baby McKinney, because we can't say a child's name.
Right.
There is no probability.
You hear that?
What'd you say, Your Honor?
You laughed at that.
Remember?
No,
when
I didn't hear.
Oh, let me say it a
I'm
little
the only
louder.
white person she's been with. Remember?
There is
Remember that?
no probability that he is the father.
Okay, so first of all, no disrespect to you, but the letter looks a little sketchy.
Okay.
It wasn't in a
It's got
legal
writing on
size
it.
envelope.
That's why it's sketchy.
So, and I don't trust him because his uncle is an attorney. Okay, and his
Okay.
uncle can do
What
all
does that
the
have to do
types
with
of
anything?
stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So I don't even trust that.
Wait a minute. I believe at the beginning, I asked you all how the test went.
I
And
mean, the
you
test-
said, wait a minute, hold on. You said everything.
chaos. Then she shocks everyone by describing a private tattoo in graphic detail dot number. One else and claims she saw a private tattoo only she could know. The judge remains doubtful until a shocking birthmark twist changes.
And it did, and it was fair that day, right?
Yes.
They swabbed her mouth correctly.
The person appeared to be wearing PPE and the person appeared to work, for that service. And the test itself went well, but behind the scenes, Your Honor.
And it appears that these results are directly from the testing place. And he's not the father.
He is the father. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why, Your Honor.
Let me tell you not. No, he's not.
He's the father.
He's not. So you're going to argue with DNA testing.
Your Honor, he is the father. 72 hours. He is not the father.
He is not the father. He is not the father. How many times do I have to say that? No, I don't want to see a tattoo. All I want to see was these numbers to see what the probability was going to look like of him being the father. He is not the father. Now,
that was way too much, by the way.
You have a tattoo.
Excuse me. You know what? I don't even see why you all need to be having a conversation right now.
I agree.
You are not the father, which means that you will not be placed on any type of child support or...
He flips the script, saying she vanished for long periods and might have been with someone else. When she brings up the tattoo, he replies, "It's a birthmark." The judge has had enough to gavel, comes down dot number 11. The judge ends at DNA proves he's not the father, and the case is dismissed. The chaos.
You, Miss McKinney, you do have the right to petition someone else who you may think is the father.
There is no one else, Your Honor. It was him. He has a tattoo on his private part. I was with him and the tattoo for 72 hours. I know what I felt. I know what I saw. Okay, it was him.
Well, there is a probability of something else, though.
Okay.
You were probably with somebody else, too, within that previous 72 hours.
Oh, Your Honor, you tried it.
There's no shade. Just...
It's very likely.
How is it possible?
Because there were like 6 or 7, 8 hours stretches during that time where I didn't see you or know where you were. I don't know what you were doing. You know what? Maybe I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. Maybe you don't even remember this other guy. It's possible with the rate you were going in those days. So I'm willing to grant you that you may not have been lying.
Okay.
You may not have been lying about thinking that I was the only white guy you were with.
Well, just answer my question. Do you have a tattoo on your private part?
I have a birthmark that kind of looks like a bird. Maybe
no, it says Mississippi Long. Do you have that tattoo?
Okay,
no.
Well, you know what? This is what we're about to do.
Mississippi.
We're not getting anywhere. I've already said what the results were, which means I'm dismissing this case. You are more than welcome to bring another case. And if his account is true that you don't remember, you can bring another case after that. But the court is here to assist you. So if there are no more questions and nothing further, which it shouldn't be, you all are dismissed.
Hell no, it shouldn't be.
Whatever. You got a tattoo.
Maybe over for now, but the emotional damage lingers. Like, comment, and subscribe if this left